The Logitech G613 promises the best of both worlds: mechanical keyboard performance and wireless freedom. Does it deliver? Let's dive in. This keyboard uses Logitech's LIGHTSPEED wireless technology, boasting a 1 millisecond report rate, which in practice feels incredibly responsive. No noticeable lag here, even during intense gaming sessions. You also have the option of Bluetooth connectivity for added versatility. The Logitech mechanical switches are the stars of the show. They offer a satisfying tactile feel without being overly clicky, perfect for those who share a workspace or game late at night. Logitech claims a 70 million click lifespan, so durability shouldn't be a concern. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 6 programmable G keys. These are strategically placed for easy access and can be customized with macros or in-app commands using Logitech software. This adds a layer of efficiency and personalization to your workflow or gaming setup. Battery life is another major plus. Powered by just 2 AA batteries, the G613 is advertised to last up to 18 months. This is a huge convenience, eliminating the need for frequent recharging. However, there are a few trade-offs. The G613 lacks backlighting, which might be a deal breaker for some gamers. While the Logitech switches are quiet and responsive, they might not satisfy those who prefer a more pronounced tactile bump or clicky feedback. Also, the keyboard has a fixed wrist rest, which might not be ergonomically ideal for everyone. Overall, the Logitech G613 is a compelling option for gamers and productivity users seeking a reliable wireless mechanical keyboard. The LIGHTSPEED technology delivers on its promise of low latency. The Logitech switches provide a comfortable typing experience, and the impressive battery life is a major selling point. While the lack of backlighting and fixed wrist rest might be drawbacks for some, the G613's performance and features make it a strong contender in the wireless mechanical keyboard market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.